We are back at POL Cruise number 4. It's another beautiful day in Corona, California, and we got about 1 billion classic cars and trucks of every color and size. We're gonna take these classics and we're gonna cruise through Lake Matthews. We're gonna go all the way around the lake, through the hills, through the twists and turns, and this time we're ending at Evans Brewing Company. It's a damn party. We got a taco truck outside. They got beers inside. Currie Enterprises is buying everyone a bunch of beer, and they got some kick-ass sound system pumping out tunes. This one is truly for the books. What an incredible turnout. So many kick-ass cars. I am loving this.
My name's Chris Martin. I'm from Riverside, California, and I'm driving a 1960 Cadillac DeVille 4-door. It started back in my mind many years ago. However, I picked up the car from a little old lady sitting in her backyard on blocks, and it was all complete. Picked it up for $1,000, and I've been working on it since day one. Yeah, I've always wanted a 4-door because I always wanted to suicide the rear doors. This is it, bright orange to get everyone's attention, and then the black powder coat on everything. I tried to eliminate anything shiny. It's a 2007 LS2. My uncle, Dwayne Locke from DL Fabrications in Riverside, helped me a lot. But it's about 98%. It'll never be 100. Right. I'll always be doing something else. Everyone asks me, oh, you must have so much money into it. I said, well, I would if I paid this guy to do it, and this guy to do it, and this guy. But my uncle and I did it ourselves. The rewarding part is this right here, that everyone else can enjoy my project and my time and my effort and my dedication to get this car on the road.
Last question, did you get the glasses that match the Cadillac on purpose?
Yes, I did, and I only wear them when I'm driving the car. I've had these glasses for like 5 years, and they're brand new.
I seen the black and it was straight, and I said, well, I'll finish that car. Everything else was 1969. So I got the car home, took the body off the frame, and completely restored everything on it. 350 with RV cam, 700 R4 transmissions. I drive it to car shows all over California. It's got air conditioning, Wellwood brakes all the way around, steel braided line through the whole system. I built the car to drive. I mean, I could take it to New York tomorrow. I've had a lot of fun with it, and you meet the nicest people at car shows. What this is El Camino don't have wood beds, so what it is, it sits on top of my bed. There's my bed right here. It sits on top. If I were to loosen these bolts all the way down, this board slides out and it comes out in 2 pieces.
Oh, wow.
I can get it out like 15 minutes. As soon as I put this bed in the car, it made it like a Chevelle. I lost all my bed noise, you know, because they're loud. You know, a lot of car shows you go to, you just park. And this one was a cruise, and we come to a great location, a lot of great people, and dude, it was awesome, man. I love it. I mean, it kind of blows COVID right out the freaking water right now, doesn't it?
My name's James Hartsock. This is my family. We decided to, take a nice little Sunday cruise in the family 1964 C20 and my 1969 Camaro. My grandfather's truck, and he bought it brand new way back in the day. My dad took it on. I fortunately inherited it, and I'm slowly starting to make my modifications. This is my 1969 Camaro. I bought it back in 2006. I bought it completely stock. My naive 20s, told me I needed to go race, so I kind of turned it into a race car. It's a 385 small block Chevy. Best pass in it so far was at Irwindale at 597, 112 miles an hour. It's got about a 275 shot of nitrous on it. It's a street car.
Thank you for shopping with POL at performanceonline.com. Subscribe to our channel for more how-tos, featured customer rides, event coverage, and more. That's POL at performanceonline.com.